This is HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
How to download a copy of your logs. We're going to go to the log tab. In this example, I am going to be copying only the Ring plugin log. So go to your plugin and turn off your other plugins. Next, you can turn on the debug log. Then click on the download button where you can save your Ring log. Click save. In order to send all your logs, all you need to do is just remember, check to make sure all of your plugins are turned on and all your bridges are turned on. Then click the download button and save your log.
Thank you for using HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.